Question 1. Which WAN access technology is preferred for a small office, home office architecture? Options. Answer is a broadband cable access. Broadband connections are used to connect small offices and homes for employees to access corporate site over the internet. Question 2. Which type of address is shared by routers in AHSRP implementation and used by hosts on the subnet as their default gateway address? Options. Answer is B. Virtual IP address. Question 3. A router has learned 3 possible routes that could be used to reach a destination network. One route is from EIGRP and has a composite metric of 2051456. Another route is from OSPF with a metric of 782. The last is from RIPv2 and has a metric of 4. Which route or routes will the router install in the routing table? Options. Answer is E. The EIGRP route. When one route is advertised by more than one routing protocol, the router will choose to use the routing protocol which has lowest administrative distance. The administrative distances of popular routing protocols are listed below. So, administrative distances of EIGRP is lower than OSPF and RIP protocol. Correct answer is E. Question 4. Which two WAN architecture options help a business scalability and reliability for the network? Choose 2. Options. Answer is C and E. Dual-homed branches and dynamic routing are two WAN architecture options that help to improve a business's network scalability and reliability. Question 5. By default, which virtual MAC address does HSRP Group 14 use? Options. Answer is D. As you know that HSRP uses this virtual MAC address 0000.0C07.ACXY, where XY is the HSRP group number in hexadecimal. The given HSRP group number is 14, which are in a decimal format. So, let's look at the chart of hexadecimal format to represent the decimal number 14. The hexadecimal system contains 16 sequential numbers as base units, including 0. The first 9 numbers, 0 to 9, are the same ones commonly used in the decimal system. The next 6 two-digit numbers, 10 to 15, are represented by the letters A through F. This is how the hex system uses the numbers from 0 to 9 and the capital letters A to F to represent the equivalent decimal number. So by this process, for HSRP group 14, the MAC address will be 0000.0C07.AC0E. Question 6. Which two options are the best reasons to use an IPv4 private IP space? Choose 2. Options. Answer is A and D, to enable intra-enterprise communication and to conserve global address space. Question 7. Which command can you enter to route all traffic that is destined for 192.168.0.0/20 to a specific interface? Answer is A. Question 8. Refer to the exhibit. Router R1 is added to the network and configured with the 10.0.0.64/26 and 10.0.20.0/26 subnets. However, traffic destined for the LAN on R3 is not accessible. Which command, when executed on R1, defines a static route to reach the R3 LAN? Options. Correct answer is D. We need to specify the destination network 10.0.15.0/24 and the next hop IP of the router to get to that network 10.0.20.3. Question 9. Which command can you enter to set the default route for all traffic to an interface? Answer is A. Question 10. A router has two static routes to the same destination network under the same OSPF process. How does the router forward packets to the destination if the net hop devices are different? Options. Answer is D. The router load balances traffic over all routes to the destination. Load balancing is a standard functionality of Cisco IOS software that is available across all router platforms. It is inherent to the forwarding process in the router, and it enables a router to use multiple paths to a destination when it forwards packets. The number of paths used is limited by the number of entries that the routing protocol puts in the routing table. 4 entries is the default in Cisco IOS software for IP routing protocols except for BGP. BGP has a default of 1 entry. Question 11. What is the purpose of a southbound API in a controller-based networking architecture? Options. Answer is D. Facilitates communication between the controller and the networking hardware. In controller-based network architecture, the controller needs to communicate to the networking devices. In most network drawings and architecture drawings, those network devices typically sit below the controller, as shown in figure. There is an interface between the controller and those devices, and given its location at the bottom part of drawings, the interface came to be known as the southbound interface, or SBI, as labeled in figure. Question 12. Which 3 statements about static routing are true? Choose 3. Options. Answer is A, B, and C.